Hey guys, Josh with Metal in Motion back at you today with another quick diagnostic video. Okay, your push mower, your riding mower, your pressure washer, whatever it is, say you go out to try to start it and it doesn't do anything. Where do you go from there? Is it have a bad spark plug? Is it getting spark to the spark plug? Is the compression too low? Is it getting fuel to the cylinder? How do you know? Now, you could pull out a spark plug tester and stick it on the spark plug wire and pull it and see if you've got spark. You could take your spark plug out and do the way that I don't really recommend, but lay the spark plug against the cylinder head and pull it and see if you get spark at the end of the spark plug. Okay, you could do some of that stuff, but it takes a little bit more time. There's a quick and dirty way to determine if you have spark and compression. Take the air cover off the side, pull the air filter out, okay? Get yourself some starting fluid, or if you don't have any starting fluid, you can use a little bit of gas from the gas tank. If it's a 2-stroke, you need to use the 2-stroke gas. If it's a 4-stroke, use a 4-stroke gas. Remember, gas is flammable. Okay, don't blow yourself up and call me. I am not held responsible for any of this. Okay, but after you've put a little bit of starter fluid or gasoline in the throat of the carburetor, try to crank the machine. If it cranks up and runs for like 2 or 3 seconds and dies, that tells you something. You've got enough spark to run the engine, and you've got decent compression enough to run the engine. So most likely the compression and the spark are totally fine. You've got a fuel problem. Okay, so the next step would be check the gas tank. Do you have enough gas in the gas tank? If yes, take the fuel line off of the side of the carburetor. You're going to spill fuel everywhere, so have a container nearby. Make sure you have a steady flow of gas coming out of the fuel lines going to the carburetor. If yes, then the chances are you've got a plugged up jet or some junk inside your carburetor that's hindering the flow of gas getting to the cylinder. So this is a quick and dirty diagnostic that I use to determine if I've got enough spark and compression when I'm diagnosing a no-start situation. I'm Josh with Metal in Motion. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.